Hey, how's it going? I'm Greg Vitulio with LeBlond, and today we're going to go over two locations to find your serial numbers on your lathe, and then also drain plug locations. First up, we'll go over one of the serial number locations, which is going to be on the back of your bed, back near the headstock, or tailstock, I'm sorry. It's going to be right here. That'll be where your serial number, one of the locations your serial number is. The second location is going to be back here on the electrical cabinet. On all our machines, we stamp the serial number, model number, amperage, voltage, and all that kind of stuff. And they'll always be mounted on the back of the electrical cabinet. So those are your two locations for your serial numbers. Next up, we'll go over your drain plug locations. Two locations for drain plugs for your headstock. It's going to be behind this. You're going to take this cover off. Here's the drain plug location for your headstock. And then to fill the headstock, you got your oil cap up here. And then for your gearbox, to fill the gearbox, you pour the oil in here, and then to drain it, your drain plug's right here. The type of oil that we recommend using is DTE 26 mobile lightweight hydraulic oil. That's what we use on our machines. That's what we recommend. And then the third location for a drain plug for your apron, it's going to be underneath here on the bottom of the plate. I don't know if the mirror is actually going to pick it up, but there's 10 screws underneath this plate that hold the plate in. In between those 10 screws, smack dab in the middle, there's a set screw. That set screw is your drain plug, and that's what you're going to want to loosen up to, drain the oil from your apron. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at LeBlond. I appreciate it, and thank you very much.